Alright, just do a little quick one here today. I ain't posted in a while. I ain't had a lot of time to do much, but working on a 25-ton Lennox unit. This is a pretty old one. This is made in 97. And right now, checking pressure on one of them. It's, as you can probably tell, that's going to be a little bit low due to the suction pressure, but the head pressure, it needs to be clean before we really decide anything on that. This one with a 4 condenser fan motor. But given a low pressure fault for 2 and 4, both of them had good pressure. The number 4 had a really good pressure. I mean, it was running about 69 or 71. You know, on your suction side, about 270 on the high, which is a little high, but I mean, with a condenser coil looking like that, that's okay. Right, we just bypassing the low pressure switches just to let them run for a little while. That way we can really check them good. But we don't have too bad, see, I can show too bad low pressure switches, as you can tell. Yeah, I don't think you should be able to do that. You can't do it with the high pressure, can't do it with this one. With that one a little bit. I just think that's not making good connection, that vibration, making it, you know, lock out. But right now, I'll show y'all just a little something on these boards. You know, you jump them right here, and some people like to do that. I don't. I like to go up here to the board where it says unit test and shift. The dip switch is a little hard to read, but unit test is on and shift is on. And if you want to test mode these, you have to turn your shift on and turn unit test on. You can also put it in recall, and it'll recall the previous fault codes. Of course, you know, some of y'all that work on these know these, but those of us that don't. I'm not gonna leave that one jumped. I'm gonna put that one back on because that is a little bit low. So we'll put that one back like it was for when we come back to put them switches on. And to look about that one too. But turn these off, hold it, and the little flashing lights will go away. Cuts everything off. A little hard to see, but. So it starts out with CO1, which is just cooling stage 1, cooling stage 2, cooling stage 1 and 2, heating stage 1, heating stage 2, heating stage 3, and then you can do the e-stop. You can go back to CO1, but we're going to take it out of unit test and take it up, shift off, and that will resume. See, just a blank. Of course, we can hold to reset. And then you got your LED indicators down there to let you know what's calling for it. But when you put it in test mode, it'll ignore any call from the thermostat. We're gonna go ahead and, there's no fault codes flashing, but I don't know why it's wanting to hold to reset, because usually, just reset that. There we go. You can hold it down and it'll reset the control. Actually, it tells you, usually these are all pretty good about keeping all your error codes, dip switch locations. I mean, keeping the books, those are good. But your push button, single push will bypass your time delays, double will reset the lockout, and then long push will reset the control. So, but just a little quick video on that for some of us that, you know, aren't familiar with these. Because I know the first time I ever opened one of these up, I didn't know what to think, looking at all this madness in here. But anyway, well, we're gonna lock this dude up and we're gonna head on to the next one.